what you do, I do guess that you've managed to activate data and toolpak. So when we have that activated, so you do it once, the activation, but just to check if your data analysis is activated, you click on data. So you should see this data analysis. Is it a tab? So if you see that you have a number of techniques that go for you, depending on what you want to do. Just my apologies, taking time. So you see that we have ANOVA, so that is analysis of variance. We have correlation, statistics, histogram. You can construct a histogram. There's a video of mine that I did as well there. And then there's regression, there's t-test. So there is repeated measure t-test, that is dependent sample t-test. And then there is independent sample t-test. And most of the time we use the assuming equal variances. But anyway, so now when your question is, you know that you need to run, for example, correlation for relationship between variables. So you click on correlation and click on OK, and you select so I've entered these just fiction numbers to not to waste time. You click, so let me repeat again. So you click and drag down and make sure that all the variable names and data is selected, and you release. And then you have to labels in first row, meaning that this first row is the names of the variables. So if we had started selecting from the data only, you're not going to select this. It's just good for when the output is out, it's just easy to check and see where is it coming from. And then you can leave it new worksheet output. If you say output range, if you want the output to be on the same page. But anyway, let's proceed. So you okay. So before you proceed, right click and want to format to 2 decimal places. So it's going to take a little bit of time. So number 2 decimal places, and then click on OK. So you can see that this value here that you see is the correlation coefficient, 0.53. And then obviously standard, you have to interpret if the question is asking to do so. So it's a positive. If it is negative, it was going to be minus 0.53. But this is a positive relationship. Is it so? You have to interpret: is it moderate? Is it strong? Is it weak? So you can read that around. But most of this video was just to show you how to run correlation. So for activation, there is a video that like it's 2 minutes long. File and click on options and add-ins. So mine is already activated. So if it's not, you find it here. So if you want, like for example, if you want to click on go, okay, and you proceed like that. But it is activated already, so you find it here. So that's that. I wish you all the best. So run the correct analysis depending on the question that is being asked. So that's that. I wish you all the best.